Standard Time. At 5:11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Phoenix, Glendale, Tempe, Avondale, Paradise Valley, Tolleson, Youngtown, Sun City, Laveen, Downtown Glendale, Sky Harbor Airport, Glendale Sports Complex, Downtown Phoenix, South Phoenix, Camelback Ranch, Metro Center, PS2 Peak Park, Arizona Mills Mall, Arizona State Fairgrounds, and North Mountain Park. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona. You're listening to National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio, KEC 94 in